Oh, come on.
Oh yeah.
Do you see this? Disgusting.
Oh yeah. Scott's Reviews. Welcome back to another Fuji X-M5 lens review. Look at what does it look like on the camera? What do you think of it? Take some pictures with it, and yeah. Today is actually a very special day. Do you see what I have here? I have the most wanted and most desired lens of all Fuji cameras. Is that right?
Yeah, I guess so.
That's
yeah.
right. I hear that this little guy here is hard to find sometimes, and it's not that cheap. I found this on B&H used for like 370 something bucks. This might be the lens I keep on it forever. I don't know yet. There is a 23 millimeter out there that I need to look at. So we'll see where we are here. But it is about this Fuji 27 millimeter 2.8 weather resistant lens. Let's put it on the X-M5 and see what it looks like compared to the kit lens. Let's show you what's inside the box. We have a nice little baggie to put your lens in. Instructions that came with, no one ever cares about. And then a cap. So I installed the little hood. See the little hood? Isn't that cute? You don't have to put that on there, but it came with it. I just threw it on there so it looks like. So it gives you two different caps. One, your normal little squeezy. This is just a cap that goes right over the top. So when you have this, you just put it right on top and it locks in. And there you go. I'm gonna take the hood off to show you how it really makes this lens look small. And then you can throw on your cap like that. This is a 27 millimeter 2.8 Fuji lens for the X-M5. This is what it's going to look like. We're getting closer and closer to basically what maybe, or even smaller than an X100V or X100VI. This is a nice everyday sling bag, shoulder bag, whatever you want to call it, set up to go inside your bag. Nice and small type of lens. Now I did hear that the autofocus on this guy is a lot louder than most. So let's take a look. Yes, it is. Confirmed louder. Because watch this element.
Oh, come on.
Oh yeah.
Do you see this? Disgusting.
Oh yeah. Okay for photography, not that great if you're taking video. Aperture ring, beautiful on the front. Take a picture of you. So a lot of folks really like this lens. I'm going to test it out. Let's go take some photos with it.
Time finds a way to get us back to the start again. To get us back to the start again. To get us back to the start. Life finds a way to bring us back where it all began. To bring us back where it all began. To bring us back where it all began. Life is beautiful, beautiful.
Filming on the Fuji 2.8 27. This is also the stabilization of the camera. That's why it's so close. Who's coming?
Life is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Oh, that's terrible.
You seem kind of psyched.
Hand holding. Nostalgic negative. Not F-log. What do you think of the photos? Even for a 2.8, it really kind of helps blur out the background. And I think 27mm, which is like a 35mm equivalent, really focuses nicely in an everyday carry kind of thing. This is the 15 to 45. I'm just saying that one's a little bit bigger. It's probably gonna be like that much difference, I'm guessing, but we'll see. If you're curious what it looks like on the X-M5, the 27mm Fuji 2.8 pancake lens on the Fuji X-M5. And remember, I have this grip on, so this monster right here, it's not on your normal X-M5, but it should be. It really should. That's loud, but we'll see you. But it's small, so loud but small.